I have 3 Lego book nooks, and I am going to start with Harry Potter. The reason I chose this one is simply because it has the least amount of pieces, and I don't have a lot of time today. I managed to get the box open. Let's check out the pieces. Clear. Oh, stickers, the bane of my existence. And the all-important directions. Oh, more stickers. There is nothing left to do but just dive in. Bag 1, commencing. Okay, here is the first bag's pieces completed. These little rubber feet on the bottom so it won't slide. Genius. That brings us to bag 2. Bag number 2 is finished. And the Hogwarts Express is looking good. Moving on to bag 3. Bag 3 complete. Both sides. It's time for bag 4. Bag 4 is finished, as is the first book. We have the Hogwarts Express. Looking great. Now we are moving on to the 5th bag. Bag 5 is complete. Another side to the book nook, more little rubber feet. Now we are digging into bag 6. Bag 6 is finished. Look at the birdie bots. The chocolate frog. We have 2 more bags left, so let's go for bag 7. Just completed bag 7. Sebastian is here to help. Now for the final bag. This is it. I just finished. Now with this one, you have 2 options. You can place them end to end. There is Leo Boone coming to inspect. And then have one long seam like this. Or you can take the 2 halves apart and put them together to make the actual nook, which I will show you next, as long as Leo allows it. And here we have it rearranged so that it makes the book nook. This really turned out quite cute. I like Harry and Ron there. You have Hedwig, Scabbers, Hogwarts Express, platform 9 3/4. I hope they come out with more in the same theme. That would be fantastic.